Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about our first road trip from Kolkata to Bhitorkonika National Park, Amazon of India. It is approximately 490 kilometers from Kolkata and almost 12 hours journey, which we completed part-wise in 2 days. Please remember, due to COVID, traveling in Orissa is restricted now and you have to be fully vaccinated or need to carry RT-PCR COVID negative report with you. The best season is to visit this area would be mid-October to February or March. And we spent our Christmas vacation of last year in this area. And now let me show you our journey. First we start early from Kolkata and our first halt was in Balasore. It took us almost 5 hours to reach there and we covered approximately 176 km in the first day. And the next day we covered almost 165 kilometers in 6 to 7 hours to reach the final destination. You can reach over there by train also. The Bhadrak railway station is the closest railhead from Bhitorkonika. Bhadrak is situated on the Kolkata-Chennai main line and connects to a number of major junctions in the country. From Bhadrak, one can choose to reach Chandwali, a river port, via bus or car and take a boat directly to Bhitorkonika. We stayed with Aranya Nivas Bhitorkonika, an Odisha state government property. The booking details are mentioned as below. This is the newest property of Odisha's tourism department and inaugurated a day before we checked in, and it is surrounded by dense forest, far from city crowd, nearby the main entrance of the wildlife sanctuary. This beautiful hotel is very spacious with wide parking area and the staffs are really good. Served the best hygiene considering this pandemic situation. The food quality is also recommendable and we were too tired and had a good night's sleep. Sunrise paints the sky with pinks and the sunset with peaches. This is the view from our balcony in this sweet morning. And we all are geared up to explore the day. Bhitorkonika has a very rich historical and cultural past. It used to be the hunting grounds of the king of Kanika. The hunting towers and artificial watering holes can be seen at many places, including Bhitorkonika Trail and at Dangmal. It is also the home of medieval Hindu temples which can be found dotted throughout the sanctuary. But the major attraction remains the wildlife wealth. And the entry fee for Indians ₹20, extra for cameras. This is Gauri, the albino or white female crocodile we have seen here, which hatched out in the artificial hatchery from the first clutch of eggs in the year of 1975. The skeleton of a giant 20 feet long male saltwater crocodile found inside the Bhitorkonika National Park has been displayed at Dangamal Museum, and for other more interesting facts, it is a must-visit spot inside the park. Winter that falls in the month of October to March is a pleasant time to witness the ultimate beauty of the national park. It hosts many mangrove species and is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India. The national park is home of saltwater crocodile, Indian python, king cobra, black ibis, darters, and many other species of flora and fauna. The boat ride from Khola to Dangmal or vice versa is highly recommended. Khola is one of the gateways in the park. This is along an artificial creek and it passes through dense mangrove forest, providing a glimpse into the estuarine ecosystem and its wealth of fauna. The best time to travel through this creek is early morning or before sunset, and we choose second options, which cost us approximately 3000 for 10 person, and you have to carry valid identification card to get the permit from government authorized counter. Winter that falls in the month of October to March is a pleasant time to witness the ultimate beauty of the national park. It hosts many mangrove species and is the second largest mangrove ecosystem in India. The national park is home of saltwater crocodile, Indian python, king cobra, black ibis, darters, and many other species of flora and fauna. It is a very good place to sight the giant saltwater crocodiles, some growing to 23 feet in length, along with other reptiles like the water monitor lizard and the king cobra. Spotted deers and wild boars are abundant in the park and can be spotted at all the major locations. 8 varieties of kingfishers are found here and can be spotted along the many creeks and riverine with the park. We did some other activity like jungle walk, which was on request and extra payable to the guide. It was almost 2 kilometers, so we walked around 4 kilometers in total, and it was getting so dark and we came back to the boat. In the dense forest beneath the clouds inside my soul, I found peace, and in the forest I go to lose my mind and find my soul. And there is the beautiful sunset. The sunset itself on such waves of ether that I just can't comprehend. Whether it is the end of the day, the end of this journey, or the mystery of mysteries in my mind again. And this is the end of this video. Hope you can easily plan a short weekend trip over there. And if you require any information regarding this place, please let me know in comment sections below. Till then, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, do like, comment and share. Tada!